Hello everybody and welcome back to more Ghost Recon editing, I guess. And I'll probably put this in the Igor editing playlist just cuz it's in that general thing, but this is another comment answering video. And today's question is from Antonia Del Campo. Hopefully I said that right, somewhat. But they're basically wondering how to unlock all of the missions and heroes by just using XML, and I assume what they're trying to do is just go straight into the quick missions instead of playing through the entire campaign. Because if you haven't completed the campaign, or if you freshly get Ghost Recon and go into quick missions here, the only mission that will be here is just Castle, and then when you go in here the specialists won't be there. So I assume they're trying to just, I guess, bypass the campaign and just have fun. I don't know. But the way to do that is relatively easy, and actually I'll just get these out because mine are, I've completed this game so many damn times I can't even like explain it, but I guess I'll show you what it should have looked like. So yeah, quick missions, you freshly get Ghost Recon, none of that stuff will be there. None of the specialists. Okay. So the way to do that is by, oh yeah, okay, that goes right into my second point. These XML files should be automatically created as soon as you launch Ghost Recon. So your first step really is just to find them, and they will be in the base Ghost Recon folder. Wherever your ghostrecon.exe is, data, all this stuff, that's where they should be. Igor. And that should be relatively easy to find. If you have a shortcut on your desktop, you can right-click on it and... Alright, hold on. You should be able to open file location. Yeah, you go find your shortcut, open file location, it'll take you to the main directory, which is pretty much, that's as deep as we need to go for this. So, you have your blank hero files, and it's just this little thing right there. And all you really need to do is just copy. I'll put the mission stuff and the hero stuff in the description of this video, and all you really need to do to get this working is just copy all this into the, copy the heroes into the heroes, the missions into the missions, and it'll be that easy. There's a little bit of different stuff when it comes to Desert Siege and Island Thunder, but I'll probably talk about that in a little bit after we do this. So yeah, it's really that easy. You just copy all the missions like that, and you want, I learned this the hard way, there's a little slash right here. You want it in front of the bottom unlocked missions, and that's the only place where it'll work. I've tried a slash over here, tried slashes up here. By accident, I didn't, like, try that out. I figured it out by it not working. But yeah, you want that slash right there and only there. But other than that, all that will be fine. So that is the new missions folder. Save that. Oh, and if you only want to do one specific campaign, all the M's are the base game, all the D's are Desert Siege, all the C's are Island Thunder. And these won't show up in your quick missions thing unless you have the DLC enabled. So, yeah. But you just do the same thing for the heroes. And that the slash is the exact same thing here. There we go. And you saw that there were, when I went into quick missions, there was nothing there, no missions, no specialists. And there we go, we go to quick missions, and all 15 base game missions are there, and that castle mission. And then we go to heroes, they're all here. Now, the weird thing about Desert Siege and Island Thunder is that they use the same heroes, but you can only unlock a certain amount of them. So, let's just go Desert Siege. turn that on. Go to quick mission. The base game will show up still if you have these DLC enabled, but here we go. Just like the missions folder, it was like all Desert Siege, all the base game, all Island Thunder. So that's how that'll be set up. But you go to that, and Desert Siege and Island Thunder use pretty much half of the specialists from the base game, and the only new hero is this person in Desert Siege. But other than that, they're all the exact same. And I've been thinking about this for a little bit. If you do go, and I'll probably in the description I'll probably post the unlocked heroes for Desert Siege and Island Thunder too. Just so if you want to do those as well, you can. And I assume, well, actually, let's find out. I assume these will automatically be created too. Those unlocked heroes files. Let's just find out, I guess. So, right now we should have Desert Siege enabled. Okay. We do not.
This is the horn.
Ah, okay, there it is. So, as soon as you go into a mission, it'll create it. So, let's turn on Island Thunder, take off Desert Siege, get that automatically created. So yeah, you don't actually have to create any XMLs, but I'll show you converting TXTs to XMLs at the end just in case. Yeah, quick mission. There we go.
As you know, gentlemen.
There we go. That's the Desert Siege one. And they're all blank. So what I was thinking of doing here is if you want to play with all heroes on all missions, you could pretty much just try and copy the base game heroes so you have all of them. Except that one in Desert Siege, that would work the exact same. You'd probably just put their name in with these, and I don't see why it wouldn't work. So that was Desert Siege I did that for. So now, I think, yeah, that was Desert Siege, right? Yeah, okay. Alright. Deactivate that. Put Desert Siege on. Okay, quick mission. Burning Sands. There we go, here we go. Yeah, okay, so if you want to play with all your heroes on Desert Siege or Island Thunder, you would just copy the exact same stuff to, wow, what's it called? To the other heroes files. There we go. So if you wanted all the heroes for Island Thunder, you would just do the C, heroes unlocked here, I mean, and copy all the stuff there. Okay. Yeah, this is strangely, it's simple, but also a lot of tiny little details. Hopefully I'm explaining it all right. And I want to test out one more thing. So, yeah, we do not have this hero. So let's just put, I think that's a she, actually. I think so, I don't know. But I want to see if there can actually be more specialists in the little thing. Okay. Okay, so, yeah, I think there's a limit to the amount of specialists. You can only have that many specialists. Otherwise, that starts to happen, which, yeah. I don't think there's a way to add, like, entirely new specialists. You can just rename them and reskin them, I guess. But, yeah, so I guess you're gonna have to... you're gonna have to choose to leave out one specialist if you want to. Well, I mean, you have to, but you're going to be able to choose whichever one you want. So, yeah, that answers that. But yeah, that should do it. I guess I'll just go over all this stuff quick. So, Yeah, that would be all the missions. Again, all of these, every XML you want the slash right here and only right there. Otherwise, the stuff won't show up. The missions for Desert Siege, the base game, and Island Thunder are all in one file, whereas the heroes are in 3 files, one for each campaign. This is the base game. D unlocked heroes is Desert Siege. C unlocked hero is Island Thunder. Oh wow, okay, so Island Thunder is just unlocked hero. Desert Siege is unlocked heroes. Okay, that's interesting. But I mean, these should all be automatically created, so you won't really have to worry about that. And yeah, if you want to play with, you know, heroes that aren't supposed to be on a specific campaign, like Will Jacobs on Desert Siege, he's only supposed to be on Island Thunder. All you got to do is add his name and all this extra shit to the Desert Siege unlocked heroes file, and he should show up. It's just that you can't go over a certain amount. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, you can't go over 12 heroes. Otherwise, they start dying, like that one was. So I guess the last thing is just to, I guess, for some reason, if you don't have the XMLs and you need to create one actually, then that again is pretty easy. You just create a text document, a TXT. You name it, let's go unlocked missions. You would get all the stuff you need to copy and paste it to your TXT, and then instead of saving, you just go save as, and then when you save as, you replace that TXT right here with an XML. Oh shit, there's already one in there. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, that's my actual one. Not that it matters. I mean, I could literally beat the game in like maybe an hour, but whatever. Here we go. Save as. Change the TXT to an XML. There we go. And you'll know it'll work when the little icon changes from a page to like a little notepad. Yeah, right here. So yeah. That's that pretty much. I guess a lot of tiny little details, but overall pretty simple. I guess the hardest part to understand is really just the minutia of which heroes are on which campaign and stuff like that. But well, let's get rid of all these. Put all my base stuff back in. Get rid of these new ones. And we'll call it a video. So, hopefully that answered the question. As for creating new heroes, I don't think there's a way to actually create an entirely new hero. And for missions, like creating a separate campaign, that's something that's gonna be like an entirely different Igor video. So yeah, that's that. If this helped, that's good. If it answered the question, that's good too. So yeah, if you made it here, thank you for watching. If you watch any of my other stuff, thank you for watching that too. And I will see you in whatever I do next. So see you next time.